Hey, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing B2 Audio, B2 Audio USA, and we're talking about RCA distribution, also known as Cockboxes. I don't even know where that came from. I know a guy came up with the name, and that's really cool, but there's a bunch of names. But basically, you have a left and right channel coming out of your radio, and you need to go to multiple amps. How do you do it? A bunch of Ys? No. Use a Cockbox or a distribution, and we have them. We've had them. They sell really good, but nowadays, LED and lighting is really coming back, which is really cool because I love lighting in my house and my cars everywhere. And that's what we got. So look up here. We have the same ones we've been selling. You got a 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, 2x12, 2x16, and a 4x8 that light up. So instead of clear, where you can see through, it's frosted, and there is RGB LED in it, and it's also Bluetooth. So you can hook it up to your phone, and that's what he's showing up here. Really cool. All you gotta do is supply power, connect it to the app, and bam. Why is it 2x4, 2x6? Well, it's per channel. So 2 would be left and right, because not everything is, everybody thinks like this is one channel. No, it's 2 channels. And then you have a left and right output. So it's 2x4. And then what do we have here? Well, it even has a diagram on here. So here you can go 2 RCAs in. So say you have a subwoofer output and you just have like a front and rear. You can go 1 and 1, and then it splits off. So you have 4 or 2 channels and 2 channels. Really cool. All the way up to a 2x16, which is actually 8, but you count it times 2. Makes sense? So really cool. Just 12 volts, quick disconnect, right? 12 volts, positive, negative, and then once this powers up, you can connect it. And we're showing you that here. And then you could change, you could have it go to the music, you could have it all type. But what's cool about this is before it was just that mounted up in there, and now you can have this light up with everything else, and it looks really, really cool. Prices, not that bad. 90 bucks, 100 bucks, 110, 135, 155. Yeah, 155. Why? Well, there's a lot into it. Now, the other thing is that where these are manufactured, it's all about the components, right? You don't want to have a high resistance load. You don't want to have issues if you're setting through a certain amount of voltage that cuts off. You don't want to create noise, a bunch of things. Well, these don't do it. Proven already in the original clear models. It's the same model except LED and Bluetooth added in with the frosted. So really cool. You have the B2 Audio logo on it. We have these in stock. It is a Android and iOS app, free to download. Connect, bam. So now you're showing it off and you're splitting it off. So check these out at b2audiousa.com. And I don't know, if you have one of the old ones, I mean, I know you got one, but if you want to step it up, go ahead, sell that off on Marketplace or whatever, and get yourself a new one. Again, you have the left and right in, and 2 left and rights out, left and right in, 3 left and rights out, 4 left and rights out, 6, 8, and then you have the 2 left and right, so it's a 4 input, and then you have 4 output. Really cool. Nice solid frame, easy to screw down. You can mount it, it's not going to fall off, and then you can light these things up and really show it off. All right, quick and easy. Check out the video. Simple to power them up, connect, and run. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing B2 Audio, B2 Audio USA with the new LED Cockboxes. Get yours today.